fiery sign, Sagittarius. How are you guys doing? I hope you all are doing great. I hope you all are fine, happy, healthy, and safe, and sitting at home enjoying your meals and following the rules and guidelines of the government. Okay. So this is the reading for the month of April, May, and June. How your month will be, just an overview of it. Okay. I hope this resonated with you. I hope this resonates with you fully, and if it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Also, one more important thing, guys. Have to say that if you want to support my channel with the help of donations, the donation link is given in the description box below. You can help me with the donation. I'll be grateful to you, and also you can book on one-on-one reading with me, Sagittarius. The details of the reading will also be given in the description box below, like how to book it and what are the procedures. Okay, so let's check it out, what is coming for you guys, my dear Sagis, for the month of April, May, and June. Let's check it out. Okay, Ace of Swords, the Sun, King of Swords, the Devil, Five of Pentacles, Knight of Swords, Seven of Swords, Four of Swords, and Seven of Cups. Okay, the Devil. Okay, and in the bottom of the deck is Two of Swords. Okay, let's check it out. In the month of April, a clarity and communication is coming into your head. You'll be standing strong in your own ground, thinking of taking an action, thinking of moving forward towards something new, a new beginning will be taking place in the month of April, or you are thinking or planning and strategizing of moving forward. Okay, lot of clarity and communication will be with you today in the month of April. Okay, in the month of May, there is a devil energy. A lot of bad negative energies are there. There was a person to whom you left in the cold, or she or he left you in the cold. Okay, and now the other person is now you are thinking to move forward, because that there is a devil energy. There might be a counterpart which you are looking for. That counterpart might be a Capricorn for you guys. Okay, so I feel that someone is rushing into your life, rushing in the sense that someone is coming up fast. Okay, or else you think that someone came fast and left fast very much. Like it was like just came into my life so soon and left so soon from my life. So there might be a thinking and contemplating is going on in the month of May, guys. Okay, and you are thinking about this connection, I guess, in the month of May. And in the month of June, you are moving away from deception, lies, and dishonest people, moving forward towards it. You made a lot of analysis, and you analyze a lot about a situation. A lot of, since there is a devil energy, that means, and a lot of thinking and contemplating was going on and around this devil energy, and now you have analyzed a lot about the situation. You are no more daydreaming about things, and you are thinking very practically about your decisions, and now you are thinking to move forward with these decisions of that you won't be giving fuck about any more lies, dishonesty, confusion, or about toxic people or toxic situations. So you are thinking about moving forward, and you are thinking about moving towards your Seven of Cups. That means which gives you happiness, which gives you joy. You are thinking to take an action towards it, and you are moving away from lies, deception, negative energy, toxic people, and toxic energies. Okay, into your life. So let's check it out, like what's your universal message, guys. Sagis. Wow, one card actually blown. Wow. Okay, Six of Wands. Let's. Oh wow, the Star card. Wow, cards are blowing up like anything for you guys. Okay, let's check it out. You are thinking to take an action, moving forward, and you won't be any more emotional. You will be thinking when you'll be thinking from your head, not from your heart this time. You won't be emotional, you will be very practical in and taking the decisions, okay, of your life. So yeah, Sagittarius, this is a very good reading for you guys, okay. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonated with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. You can book on one-on-one reading with me. The details of the reading is given in the description box below. Thank you so much, guys.